LCM. Lowest common multiple or LCM is the smallest of all common multiples of two or more numbers. Let us identify the LCM of 10, 20 and 25. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and so on. Multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 and so on. Multiples of 25 are 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150 and so on. The first common multiple of 10, 20 and 25 is 100. Therefore, LCM of 10, 20 and 25 is 100. An easier method for computing LCM is the prime factorization method. Let us use the method to calculate the LCM of 16, 24 and 32. Prime factorization method involves dividing the three numbers by prime factors till the quotient is 1. Let us start with the smallest prime factor that divides at least one of the three numbers. 2 is the smallest prime number that divides 16, 24 and 32. Let us continue to divide the quotients by 2 4 more times till it is not possible to divide any quotient by 2. The next smallest prime factor that divides one of the quotients 1, 3 and 1 is 3. Multiply all the divisors 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 96. Let us look at a real-life situation where LCM is used. 3 bells ring at the intervals 10, 20 and 25 seconds. If their first ring is synchronized, when will the 3 bells ring together next? The time in which the 3 bells ring together must be a multiple of 10, 20 and 25. The time must also be the minimum time in which the synchronized ring will happen. The next time the 3 bells ring together is the LCM of 10, 20 and 25. LCM of 10, 20 and 25 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 is equal to 100. The 3 bells will ring together after 100 seconds.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.